Gullfoss is Iceland's most popular waterfall. The millions of gallons of water pour down with such intensity that it leaves a persistent mist in the air, a tribute to the untamed beauty and force of nature. Also referred to as the Golden Falls, the two-tiered waterfall has a 105-foot plummet into a prehistoric canyon. Long before you see the waterfall on your hike in, the tremendous roar of the waterfall will give you a glimpse of the sheer power of Gullfoss. With its striking and impressive landscape, it's no wonder why